Okay, here we go. I hope there are not too many glitches. In this digital media business, we have a saying that if you're not ashamed of your first product, you've waited too long to launch it. Because unlike a movie, this is a product that is made and iterated every week and updates are put in. We are fortunately or unfortunately not ashamed of our first product. We're very proud of it. But do indulge us if there are a few glitches. Just because of the ambient light here, the screen is a bit washed out. It's a very simple program. You can see me scrolling through. It's set into days. You can choose your program. You can choose that you want to go from 0 to 5 kilometers, which means 0 means you've never run before.
In the country, whether it's the marathons, whether it's something that she does for fitness. Gul's been running since she was 16 years old. She has a history of running and has always said that it's the easiest, most natural way to stay fit. So this is something that's very close to her heart. Also because it brings in her passion for technology. She sits on a number of juries for tech awards. I represent a number of celebrities, and Gul's probably one of the most well-versed with technology when it comes to that. Yes, cars and bikes we know, but also with tech. So this brings together two of her passions, which is technology and fitness, and it's very real and very, very close to her heart for that reason. So I'd like to call Gul. Gul steps into MobiFit not as a brand ambassador, but she steps in as a co-founder of this company. This app has been co-founded with Gaurav, who's the founder of MobiFit. So I'd like to invite Gul to speak to you, and I'd like you to listen to it from that space of understanding where this application is coming from.
Thank you, Gitika. Thank you all for coming. I really appreciate it. बहुत देर से मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ, किसी भी विषय पे मेरी किसी से मीटिंग होती है, मीटिंग ख़त्म होने के बाद सबसे पहला सवाल जो मुझसे लोग पूछते हैं, चाहे वो एक बिजनेस मीटिंग हो, चाहे वो एक नरेशन की मीटिंग हो, चाहे वो पॉलिटिकल मीटिंग हो, करा के आखिरी सवाल जो लोग मुझसे ये पूछते हैं कि आप फिट कैसे रहते हैं। तो शुरू से मैंने एक ही जवाब दिया है, और वो ये है कि मैं दौड़ती हूँ। और क्यों दौड़ती हूँ ये तो शायद समझाना आसान नहीं है, पर इतना ज़रूर है कि मैं दौड़ना बहुत पसंद करती हूँ, क्योंकि उसके बहुत से फ़ायदे हैं। I was 16 years old when my father said, let's go running. And I asked him, why? I wasn't overweight because I believed mistakenly, like everybody else, most of us, that you only exercise to lose weight. So he tried to explain to me the advantages of fitness and endorphins and happy feelings. I didn't understand. I said, I am thin and I'm not going to run. I didn't even want to run, unlike Gaurav. But being born to a Fauji father means they don't really take no for an answer. So every evening, I had to go running with him. But here's the thing. On day one, I had to run 3 miles. He just fixed कि हम लोग 3 mile भागेंगे. There was no analysis of how fit I was. I mean, I was an athletic child. I used to play sport in school. But 3 miles is almost 5 kilometers. It's not a small distance. And I hated every single minute of the first 3-4 weeks because I was struggling. I just went unnaturally from never running to about 4.8 kilometers a day. And there was a 5-kilometer route that my father would make us do, 4.8 kilometer route. And the good thing was he ran with me. So it's not that he would send me and he was some fat man, job it, exercise karo. He was always very fit. So he taught by example, and that got ingrained in me. Soon I learned the advantages of being a runner. I was always happy because when you run, जब आप दौड़ते हैं तो आपकी body में endorphins release होते हैं. There are these hormones that make you feel very happy. Because your mind is less cluttered, you have greater mental capacity and of course physical capacity. So as a result, my grades actually improved. I was always a good student, but I was able to now get the same amount of work with much lesser effort because it was more focused. And that's how my running journey began. Cut to almost 15 years later, I was still running and I'm still running now. And I think that if there's one simple lesson for fitness that I can give to anybody is to run. A lot of people would ask me कि आप एक fitness DVD क्यों नहीं launch करते? And I felt कि आज की तारीख में अगर कोई एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमेशा आपके पास है, वो आपका मोबाइल फ़ोन है. And अगर कुछ ऐसा हम लोग develop कर सकें, जिसके ज़रिए आप लोगों की सहायता भी कर सकें उनकी fitness journey में, और जो उनको इनकन्वीनियंस ना करे। डीवीडी डालिए, आप घर में टीवी ऑन कीजिए, तो इनकन्वीनियंस थोड़ी सी हो जाती है आजकल की जद्दोजहद वाली जिंदगी में। And Gaurav and I have actually known each other for about 4-5 years, 6 years, maybe a bit more, 5, 6. I've lost count. And we came together to create this product because I've always been very passionate about technology. I think technology can make life simpler if used right. Of course, you shouldn't become a slave to technology, but it should be used for your best interest and for your greater convenience. Today, the mobile phone is replacing books, watches, pedometers, and now, of course, a fitness solution as well. मैंने पहली बार जब एक लंबी रेस दौड़ी थी, वो मुंबई की सबसे पहली और भारत की सबसे पहली मैराथन थी 2004 में, और तब से अब तक मैं तकरीबन सारी रनिंग इवेंट्स जो इंडिया में होती हैं उनमें दौड़ती हूँ, चाहे वो गोवा की रिवर मैराथन हो, चाहे वो एयरटेल दिल्ली हाफ मैराथन हो, स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड मुंबई मैराथन, और अभी संडे को मैं बेंगलोर में एक शानदार 10K रन कर आई हूँ। बहुत खुश हूँ मैं अपने परफॉर्मेंस के साथ। 60 मिनट से कम में मैंने 10 किलोमीटर दौड़ा और ट्रेन भी काफ़ी किया था, पर less than 60, it's called sub 60. To finish 10 kilometers in less than 60 minutes is called sub 60. It's supposed to be a reasonably good performance. Thank you very much. पर जो बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो रन करना चाहते हैं, जो इस फिटनेस की जर्नी पे पहला कदम रखना जानते हैं, चाहते हैं, पर उन्हें ये नहीं मालूम शुरुआत कैसे की जाए। बहुत से बड़े बड़े पहाड़ होते हैं जिन्हें चढ़ने के लिए शायद एक कदम लेना पड़ता है, और वही एक कदम फिटनेस की दुनिया में या फिर रनिंग की दुनिया में आप ले सकते हैं फर्स्ट रन के जरिए। मोबी फिट एक कंपनी है जिसका हिस्सा मैं हूँ। मुझे बहुत गौरव महसूस होता है कि आज मैं इस ऐसे मुकाम पर हूँ कि हम एक ऐसे प्रोडक्ट को आपके सामने लाए हैं जो हम काफ़ी देर से जिसके ऊपर हम काम कर रहे हैं, और मुझे नहीं लगता इसके बाद कोई भी ये कह पाएगा कि I don't know how to start running. Everybody I've met tells me I would like to run. All you need is a pair of shoes. And if it's hot, maybe a hat and sunglasses. But to become a runner, there is a journey involved. And there's a scientific program which Josh Clark developed. And as Gaurav said, it's an open source program. उन्होंने एक C25 के program design किया, और मैं उनको actually Twitter पे follow करती हूँ. He's very open about sharing everything that he does. Including of course his legendary C25 के formula, और उस formula पे voice coached ये ऐप है जो आपको बिना किसी effort किए 9 हफ्ते में 30 minutes लगातार रन करने की काबिलियत देगी. So I don't want to say anything more except that I've been very excited about this for a very long time, and I'm glad that we're able to finally share this with you. And there is nobody who can now say that they don't know how to start, because this makes starting so easy. It doesn't matter what your pace is. It doesn't matter how old you are. All you have to do is listen to the voice in your ear. The first session is only 1 minute of running at a time. So you run for a minute, you walk for 2 minutes. You run for a minute, और 1 मिनट के लिए कोई भी दौड़ सकता है. हम आपको ये नहीं बता रहे कि आप कितनी स्पीड पे दौड़ें, वो आप डिसाइड कीजिए क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी है. बस I wouldn't like to take any more of your time. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate taking our time on this afternoon to be here. Thank you, Gitika. Thank you, Gaurav. And I hope you download the app. It's free. I'll repeat, it's free. And sometimes good things do come free. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gitika.
Thank you, Gul. Thank you, Gaurav. We also want to thank Sofitel. I don't know if we have either chef we don't have anyone from Sofitel here, but I'd like to tell you about this. So Sofitel, for this very special day, has specially designed a menu called the Delight Menu, which is meant to inspire athletes. It's a low-calorie menu, and it has a number of really, really good-sounding things on it, including roasted red pepper shots, Vietnamese spring rolls, all at under. The roasted red pepper shots are only 33 calories. The Vietnamese spring roll is 81 calories. There are mini pizzas at 96 calories. And lots of this stuff, including strawberry and lemon pan cotta, is available outside for you to try. And so that you can also enjoy it, because of us as good as thin looks. So this is what we are working towards, and whether we're running on first app, what you put in your mouth, both together come together to create this beautiful day. So we're going to open it up for a few questions, And after that, I know some of the TV crew want to do one-on-one bites, so we can do that. But before that, we'll do the photo ops for the still photographers. So just so you know, don't get worried. We'll first open it up, then we'll do some pictures, and then we will do the bites. Yeah? So we'll keep that order. Okay, so any questions? Yes, Lokesh? Lokesh, you can just ask. We're in a small room.
Yes. Is that okay now? Thank you, Lokesh. Lokesh, every business is a journey. And during that journey, you figure out ways in which first to build an audience that wants what you have to offer. And second, you figure out what and how much are they willing to pay. I think in the digital economy, it's fairly common to first build a proposition which is valuable, which is what we are doing. Get people to start using it. And then to figure out only when it is useful to them that you have earned the right to ask for money. So that's really the path that we are taking. Thanks, Lokesh.
One more question for Gul. How much distance or time you spend walking, or sorry, running, as of today, on an average day?
Lokesh, thanks. I just tweeted this morning that I'm back to a strength training routine. The running season in India starts with the Airtel Delhi Half Marathon, which is in November, is followed by the Mumbai Marathon. Then it ends with the Bangalore 10K, which I ran on Sunday. So when I'm training for a running event, because I feel training is good fun, time pass training, but training with a goal is actually very helpful, for me at least. So when I'm training for half marathons, I'm doing 50 kilometers a week, 50, in 4 runs. So I'll do 116K, 112K, 110K, 112K. So it's a how shall I put it? It's a program I follow, designed by my running coach. Because even though I've been running for so many years, I still want someone to tell me that half marathon के लिए एक इतने हफ्ते में इतने runs करने हैं. Because that's how the body gets trained. So there are some long runs and then there are some short runs. 1 kilometer sprint, 2-minute break, 1 kilometer sprint. I do that about 8-9 times. But since the running season ended yesterday for me, and the next run that I will start training for will be in September, which is the Delhi November half marathon, I will do 3 days of running a week. Maybe 2 days even, to maintain that level of, how shall I put it, stamina that I've gained, so I don't start from scratch all over again in September. So now, with the effect from today, I will strike a balance between strength, endurance, and flexibility. Last 7 months have almost seen me in favor of endurance and cutting back on strength and cutting back on flexibility. But now focus is going to be strength, flexibility, and endurance in equal measure. So this week onwards, I will be running about 20 kilometers a week till September. Long answer, sorry, but I have to explain because I love running and I can talk endlessly about running. Anybody else with questions out there?
Sorry, Sohail?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, I just got an update late last night, which all modern phones don't even ask you these days. They just tell you, boss, we're updating your app. At least iPhones ask you that there are updates available, you can go and download them. But with the Android that I'm using, it just goes and informs you that the update has been installed. Sorry, sir, you had a question. See, I think I've always believed that when you're fit, it increases your mental capacity and your physical capacity to do much more. So if you're an unfit person, by the end of a 5, 6, 7, 8 hour day, you'll be tired. But being physically fit, having greater cardiovascular strength means you can last a much longer day and still feel active. So I don't have a problem with 12, 13, 14 hour days at all. In fact, during my campaign, I was campaigning 18 hours a day from 6 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock, and I never got tired because I was so fit. So I think fitness just gives you a greater opportunity to exploit everything else that you want to do. And it takes just about 40, 45 minutes, 1 hour a day. So I find that 1 hour, and that gives me time to do everything else which I ordinarily would not have time or energy for. That's a really good question. I'm glad you pointed that out. Okay, it's not meant for professionals, basically, because it's really for people who've never run. आज शुरू करना है जिसको रनिंग, उसके लिए ये ऐप है. स्मार्टफोन्स की अगर बात की जाए, एंड्रॉयड फोन्स खास तौर पे, आई थिंक दे स्टार्टेड अबाउट 3,500 rupees. So it's not a iPhone. I mean, not that I'm against iPhones. I really like iPhones, but sorry. Don't worry, we'll make it in India also very soon. So the thing is that the smartphone market has completely been challenged and disrupted with the advent of the low-cost Android phone. तो किसी की अक्सर मतलब बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके हाथ तक ये फ़ोन पहुंच सकता है. पॉइंट तो ये है. The second point that you've mentioned is actually a most scary point for me. I don't see kids playing. I see kids becoming chubbier and chubbier, playing video games, and all kids today, I mean, the kind of environment that we all are in, every child has a phone. So if they have a phone, why don't they utilize it to get fitter? So we will be having a children's version of First Run coming out soon. I can't commit a date on that, but since kids today as is addicted to phones, we might as well use that addiction and get them to become fitter using this app. And of course, we'll make it motivational for children. Absolutely. I think the idea is to attack children at a younger age so that when they grow up, fitness is not a choice for them. It's a habit. Like a 2-3-year-old child, initially you have to push them to brush their teeth. Or they play with the brush and just eat the toothpaste. But eventually, brushing becomes a habit. You do it not because you want to prevent cavities, but you do it because you want to keep your teeth healthy. That's the way we want to be able to encourage a generation of young people, young children, who will grow up to become like as though fitness is a part of their life and they don't have to think about it. So yes, school tie-ups are in the pipeline, and a children's version of First Run is definitely in the pipeline. Yeah. See, Josh Clark, I'll let Gaurav also answer that with more technicals. Basically, he designed a program which tells you that if you run, let me correct that, if you give 30-minute sessions 3 times a week for 9 weeks. At the end of 9 weeks, you will be able to run for 30 minutes. That is written out there. What we've done is we voice coached it. So there's no need for you to carry printouts, read and forget, and keep looking at your watch. 2 minutes ho gaya, abhi, now I'll walk. So my voice, the first version of First Run that we've launched is my version. In time to come, we'll do many versions of First Run. But the first version that we've done, like we discussed, we'll do a children's version, we'll do a men's version, maybe we'll have a male running icon featuring in our First Run app. But what this will do is that my voice in your ear tells you, walk for 5 minutes. Get ready to run for 1 minute. Okay, 5 seconds to go. You can stop running now. 2 minutes of walking. So I'm telling you in your ear what you need to do. So there's no application of stress for you to look at, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It just simplifies it, because the person who's running for the first time is as it is intimidated by the idea of running. They want to run, but something has held them back. So this just makes it seamless, and it respects their choice of pace. We don't set a pace for you. You decide how you want to run for 1 minute. And as you become stronger, your body will just perform better and better. Gaurav, you may want to add something to this.
So, Miss, there are a couple of key differences. One of them is that the core, the backbone, the spine is for the 0 or couch to 5K program. We also have on day 1 a 5 to 10K program, right, which is also the second one. Second, as Gul correctly explained, there is a whole ecosystem of supportive things around it. For example, there are videos which will coach you about what are the running basics. Now, Josh Clark, I mean, wonderful as he is, who contributed this, hasn't got that. There is an inspirational figure. There is voice coaching. There is GPS tracking. There is a treadmill mode, which the moment you switch it on, it assumes, because a lot of us, if you look like a city like Bombay, will not be running outside on the roads, right? So that assumes, it says set your treadmill to 1.5 degree incline. So I think there is a host of features around that part. So I briefly explained, from our side, Gul has been an authentic fitness person. She didn't get into fitness because she suddenly thought, I'm in the glamour business, so let me get into it. She was there pretty much as a schoolgirl. I have been very interested in fitness, and I said I had this personal moment of epiphany when I realized that something which is like drinking a milk, most kids don't like it. Running is like that. So there is that little thing which is like a recipe and which is like a coach. If somebody gives you a recipe, says, don't worry, do this now. Do this day after tomorrow. Do this on Friday. And you will get there. And if you have a coach with all the hosts, and of course the third C part of it is the convenience part, which is that this is a device that you have with you all the time. It's not a new device that you have to, buy, charge, pay a subscription for. It's something that you have with you all the time. So that's the trigger.
There's one more thing I wanted to add. As a runner, I take running form very naturally because I was beaten with a stick and made to run when I was young. But for somebody to start running, what is the ideal running form? So, in fact, when Gaurav was taking us through the app, we've actually have a section of running basics videos which tells you how you must hold your posture, where your arms should be, and how far your foot should extend ahead of your hips. So you understand what the form is. It's one thing to tell it to you, it's the other thing to show it to you. The other thing we also have here are stretching videos. As you grow older, I think for anybody, in fact, stretching just gets more and more important because one is more prone to injuries. Your body is less forgiving as you were maybe in your teens and in your 20s. So we also have stretching videos, and there's going to be, as time goes by, we will keep adding more and more support for our runners through first, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this yet, but we will be coming out with the half marathon program as well, which I am going to test on myself starting September. So I don't know if that was I allowed to say that?
No, you are.
Okay.
As long as you don't say that I'm going to test that for my half marathon.
No, I have a certain timing in mind for Delhi, and I'm hoping that I'll get better because even I, after having run 16, 17 half marathons, still need a regimented program, which I take from my coach. So I'm really looking forward to training for my half marathon with the half marathon version of, and then eventually maybe full marathon version. I'm giving you all the secrets, sorry.
Okay. No, so we'll just take one last question, and then after that we'll break. Yeah. Can we?
Beg your pardon? Can we send you a note on that because it doesn't features?
Yeah, it's actually also in your press release. It's got all the features of the app are listed in the press release. And if you want a soft copy of that, you can, anyway, if you've registered and left your email, we will be sending you a press kit, which has pictures, it has the video, and it has the features of the app. We'll take one last question.
See, what we've done is we've created stretching modules, we've created form modules. And because a runner is running at his ability, he's not pushing himself to do anything, there are very minimal chances of him getting injured. So one gets into physiotherapy essentially as a corrective therapy. Here there is virtually no scope for injury because you will be told, "Up 1 minute bhagiye." Your 1 minute of running will be drastically different from, say, Usain Bolt's 1 minute of running. But it will work for Usain Bolt as well. He may do it really, really fast and cover lots of distance. But essentially, his body and your body will be equally challenged because it's time-based. So I don't see scope for injury out here at all. If the stretching routine and the running basics videos in the app are followed to the letter.
Great, thank you so much. What we are going to do is we're going to request two things. One is you all have Snehi's contact details. If you don't, you can please just connect with her. It's snehi.parson@creas.com. If you can just take that. If you have questions, you can always feel free to email us. We will get you answers and we will have them quickly responded to in case there's something that's left beyond this, just in case we run short of time. So please do not panic. We'll get you whatever you need for your stories.
Well, I definitely want to do my bit in encouraging more people to get onto the fitness journey. I think it's very important. It makes you live your life to the fullest. Being fit increases your mental capacity, increases your physical capacity. I've always been very passionate about fitness and technology. And for me, First Run, in fact, MobiFit, which actually launched First Run today, is the most natural progression for fitness and technology to come together.
What exactly, can you just tell us something brief, what is First Run all about and what about the app?
I'll have Gaurav tell us about the app.
So First Run is the product from MobiFit, whose purpose is to get people who've never run before, ever in their lives, who can run no more than even 1 minute for the first time, to have them running 30 minutes at a time, or almost about 5 kilometers, inside of about 9 weeks. So that's really our goal. And once they run those 30 minutes or 5 kilometers inside 9 weeks, we want to get them to step up to the next level, which is to go from 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers, and then hopefully from 10 kilometers to a half a marathon and then a marathon. So we really want people to run regularly, run joyfully.
ओके गुल आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कभी आप लद्दाख जा रहे हैं जिप लेके कभी आप ऐप के साथ आ रहे हैं सब सब हर जगह फिटनेस की बात कर रहे हैं कुछ और भी है क्या पाइपलाइन में once you're through with this people start liking
I'm not going to be through with this. I mean, I'm part of this company's present and future.
Yes, you are.
In time to come. But I think मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर हम मनुष्य पैदा हुए हैं तो हमें सिर्फ एक चीज़ ना करने की शायद हमें गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर हम सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ करते हो, अगर हम सिर्फ एक ही इंटरेस्ट से अपने आप को सीमित करें तो फिर हम में और पशुओं में क्या फ़र्क हुआ. Because we're human beings, I think we're all multifaceted. We must explore all our different interests. For me, fitness is an interest, adventure is an interest, cars and bikes are an interest. And wherever I can make my interests contribute to other people's welfare and happiness, I'm happy to do that.
Don't you think the app is mind-blowing? Do you think there's a need to push it to another level by passing it to the children, especially the school?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think to inculcate a sense of fitness and the importance of fitness at a young age is very important, and we will be coming out with a First Run version for children because I think it's very important to ingrain the love for fitness at a young age.
Are you planning to visit some schools also?
In time to come, yes. I think it's too premature to talk about that at this stage. We will have a lot of in-app features. The first version that we have focuses on the method, or as Gaurav said, the recipe of how to become a runner. And through the First Run website, we will be giving a lot of support in terms of fitness tips, eating tips alongside. But the app per se is actually a recipe on how to become a runner. मुझे अकेले दौड़ने में बहुत मजा आता है. मैं अकेले ही दौड़ना पसंद करती हूँ.
Okay, what's happening? Your question front, what's there in the pipeline? In Bollywood, you're through. The last we saw you in Ab Tak Chappan too.
I'm reading scripts. I still haven't found a script that's really truly interesting, and as and when I find one, I will definitely be in it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Something very important is that actually that these days actually sports movies are also being encouraged.
There's something in scripting. I mean, not really sporty, but adventure-ish. So let's see. I mean, in time, I shall talk about that.
You are also adding a book on fitness.
Yes. Yes. I'm almost done with it, and I have a little bit more of work to go. But I'd always envisioned my book to be supplemented by an app. It's not good enough to say go for a run. How to run is very important. So we will be, through MobiFit, we would be doing series of fitness apps which would complete the circle for any fitness book out there, and especially mine as well. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.